Tom Hanks plays a boy in a man's body, a small fry who becomes a bigwig, and that was nothing less than a huge challenge.
It's a combination of going back and trying to recall that the bizarre emotions that you feel yourself, that I felt myself when I was 12 years old, as well as trying to create the personality of Josh.
We had fun, didn't we?
Yeah. Only his best friend knows the secret of Josh, whose wish to be big is unexpectedly granted.
It was a walking the fine line between the young kid being scared, afraid of what had happened to him, and still discovering all of the new things that he could do.
I want to spend the night with you.
Do you mean sleep over?
Yeah.
Okay. But I get to be on top.
Hanks's own childhood was anything but simple. The star once said he had 3 mothers, went to 5 schools, and lived in 10 homes.
When I was a kid and I was moving around so much, I guess it made me learn how to travel light, I think, as far as things that are important to me. I must say that one of the great advantages that I feel, not just as an actor but as a human being, is that I don't need an awful lot to be happy. My suitcase can be very small, both emotionally, I think, as well as physically.
The roots of his comedy lie in this nomadic existence.
When you're starting like second grade and you're coming into the school in February and everybody else has been there for you have to, you need to make friends in order to feel it. So yeah, I'm sure that I used being a goofy guy as a way of making friends and influencing people.
Sandy Kenyon, Hollywood.